Hi, my name is Liang. Today we're going to talk about sales module. I will be the customer of the day and my tutor today is Miss Ong.
Hi, so let's start with sales quotation.
Miss Ong, I would like to generate a quotation in SQL system. What can I do?
Okay, for sales quotation, right? Very simple step. We just go to sales and we just go to quotation. Okay, for quotation, we press on the new button to generate a new quotation and we just select which customer, and for quotation number, right? If you leave it blank, system will auto generate for you. Okay, so let's select an item. Okay, let's say maybe antenna. Okay, we can just press on our keyboard tab button to shift the highlighted column from code to description. Okay, as you can see, right now the highlighted column is in description, which means I'm searching by description. Okay, let's say antenna. Okay, then quantity, unique price, and subtotal. For the test code, right, start from 1st April. System will automatically assign the standard test code for you. So if this is a standard text item, then no need to do anything with this column. Just go next. Okay, so
Alright, Miss Ong, if I have a lot of items with similar description and I would like to gather them all into a same quotation, is there any shortcut that I can use to select them all and put them under one quotation?
yeah, in SQL we have a very useful function which is F9. Try to press your keyboard F9.
Okay,
Okay, try to search.
let's say I would like to search for prepaid.
Search. Okay, so you can see all the description come with PRE will automatically show up. So what you have to do is just highlight all and drag drop. So now I will show you how to highlight it. Okay, I press on the first item and you press on the shift on your keyboard and I press on the last item. Okay, so now it's highlighted and just drag and drop. Okay, so after drag drop, you can just change your quantity, your unit price, and then before you save, we can also check our profit margin. Okay, let's say profit estimated. Okay, so let's say for antenna, system will automatically calculate for you. This is your sales price and this is your real cost. So what is the profit for this item and also profit margin for this item?
Miss Ong, as I can see, the profit right now is 50 cent. What if I would like to make the profit greater into 1 ringgit, let's say?
Oh, it's actually very simple. You just change the profit to 1
Okay.
and then enter. So once you press enter, right, you can see the sales price is changed it to 2.99, which means you must sell at least 2.99 to get your profit 1 ringgit.
Oh, I see. So the same thing goes to the profit margin, the percentage, right?
Ah,
Okay,
yes.
let's say if I want to change it to 50%. So I just press 50 here
And
and then
enter.
enter.
So system will calculate if you want to make your profit margin 50%, at least your price must be 3.98.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, so once you have done, we just update unit price and then system will update accordingly and we just save.
Oh, I see, I see. All right, now that we have our quotation ready, I would like to email the quotation to my client. What can I do?
Okay, then in SQL, right, we have two ways to email, either by personal mail or either by window live mail. If you are using window live mail, right, we can direct export to email client. When you press export to email client, you have to just choose your report and then let's say PDF. So you can see system will automatically link to your window live mail.
What if I am using my personal mail?
Yeah, for personal mail, okay, actually you must export it to PDF. So now I will show you how to export to PDF. We press on the export to PDF. Same thing, we have to choose the report. And then, okay, let's say I export it to desktop. Let's say name it 456. And then save. So in my desktop, you can see there's a file 456. Then you can attach manually to your personal mail.
Oh, I see, I see. All right, I think that's all for today. Thank you so much, Miss Ong, for your assistance.
Yes, you're welcome.